Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Ford Fiesta S, stock reference number 5649. The shape runs from the 6th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2019. It has an M1JE 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. M1JE 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the left guard, no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door no damage, left rear door 1 small dent, left rear factory alloy mag 16-inch, good tyre, left tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door no damage, right front door 1 small dent, right guard no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, Sony control panel, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, right sun visor and the instrument cluster.